DOS Trader Tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. In this DOS tutorial, you will learn about the chart config area, which allows you to change the chart so you can see your trades and orders on your charts in different ways, as well as to do other functions such as to see the bid and ask on the charts. Open your DOS Trader Pro software, select a chart, right click on the open area and hover over chart area and go to config area. Now you will see a new box pop up that allows you to modify what you see on the charts. In this video, we're going to focus on trades, orders, bid and ask, and then let you play around with the other functions. So this is very simple. You see I already have this selected. Let's unselect show trades, okay? I have nothing selected in the trade order view settings. Okay, so now if I make a trade, we'll just enter in 200 shares of MU. You see this shows me that I have 200 shares of MU here, but there's nothing on the chart. If I right click, go back to chart area, config area, and then select show trades, now I can have an arrow right here that shows me this is where I entered into the position. But that's only for trades. Now if I have an order sent to the market, let's just say at 44.60, there's an order in there, but you can't see it on your chart area. So let me right click, chart area, config area, now show orders. You see that? Now I see that I have an order, a smart market order, or a stop market order for 200 shares at 44.60. Now I see both the trade that I entered into and the orders on the chart, which is a very nice feature. So let's right click on the area again, go to chart area, select config area. So now we have other options. We can change that. Well, right here you see it says stop market 244.60, but this is a little intrusive on the chart. You can try to hide order type quantity. Okay, select that, click commit. Now you don't know your order and the type of trade, but you see that the order is here at 44.60. You don't know how many shares, but you can see in other areas, and you don't know what type of order, but it's a little less intrusive. You see that? We can go back and select chart area, config area, and once again, we can now select show order triangle, settings same as trades triangle. So now watch what happens. You see, this order shows here that right here is when I placed it. It's showing you the time I placed the order. So if I do another order right now, we'll just hit stop market at 44.60. It's going to show up at a different area. Watch this. See, now let's go to the 1 minute. So now you see I placed these two orders that are sent to the market on this minute and this minute. Because the price of the order is underneath the current price, that's why these arrows are down here. Watch what happens if I change it to 44, let's just say 66. You see? Now the arrow moves up here, so you see the price level and the minute that you sent it. This is a very nice feature. Okay, let me cancel all these orders. Now you see all the orders are canceled, but I still see the trade that I entered here. All the orders are canceled, and you can see I exited the position right here in this red arrow. So right click on the chart area, hover over that, select config area. Okay, so play around with these. Do you want to show trades, orders? You can increase the triangle size here. You can change it to your real account or your simulator account. It works for options. You can change the colors. You can make the orders more transparent so it's not intrusive. Just play around with what works best for you. One more quick thing. We can also see the price, show last price, which is right here. That's selected. Show the last price line, which is this red line. But we can also show the bid and the ask on the chart. So select these two areas, hit commit. So now you can see the price and the bid and ask are all on the chart area. This is a very tight spread of 1 cent, so it's hard to see. Let's try something like Amazon. Now you see the bid is showing here at 3,394 and the ask is 3303.10. So that kind of shows you where you're going to enter into if you hit the bid or hit the ask compared to the last current price. It's a very nice feature. If you have any questions on this, ask in the YouTube comments, ask in our forum page, or in the BBT chat room. Thank you.